Join me as I dive deep into my worst financial mistakes and challenge myself to uncover the lessons behind each one. We've all been there, making financial decisions that leave us scratching our heads, wondering what we were thinking. The truth is, financial mistakes are more common than we think, and they can have a huge impact on our lives. From overspending to poor investments, these mistakes can set us back and make it harder to achieve our long-term goals. Managing finances can be tough, and it's not just about numbers. It's also about the psychological factors that drive our decisions. Stress, anxiety, and emotions can all play a role in how we handle money. For example, when we're feeling stressed, we might be more likely to make impulse purchases or avoid dealing with our finances altogether. Understanding these psychological factors is key to making better financial decisions. But what are some of the most common financial mistakes we make? Let's start with impulse buying. We've all been guilty of buying something on a whim, only to regret it later. Then there's the lack of budgeting. Not tracking our income and expenses can lead to a big financial mess. Ignoring savings is another mistake. Not setting aside money for the future can leave us unprepared for unexpected expenses. And finally, there's the danger of lifestyle inflation. As we earn more, we tend to spend more, rather than saving or investing. So why do we make these mistakes? One key insight is that our emotions play a huge role in our financial decisions. We tend to make decisions based on how we feel, rather than what's best for us in the long run. For example, we might buy something to celebrate a milestone or to cope with stress. Understanding this emotional aspect of financial decision-making can help us make better choices. To sum it up, financial mistakes are common, but by understanding the psychological factors that drive our decisions and being aware of common pitfalls, we can make better choices. It's all about being mindful of our spending habits and taking control of our finances. If you've made a financial mistake that you'd like to share, please leave it in the comments below. I'd love to hear about it. And if you're looking for more practical tips on managing your finances, be sure to check out my next video on budgeting tips.